I'm Joe Zanini, and I am Vice President for Facilities here at Carolina Meadows. Carolina Meadows is a continuous care retirement community. We have 449 independent living units, and those are made up of villas and apartments. We're one of the largest CCRCs in North Carolina. Before TheWorxHub by Dude Solutions, we at Carolina Meadows were attempting to monitor all of our work orders using Access database. And that was a paper-intensive and highly labor-intensive process to manage all of our work orders. Last year, for example, we completed 19,500 work orders, and we expect to do a lot more work orders this year. So having a tool that will allow us to distribute work orders, analyze the work orders, is really critical to our operation. And the Dude Solution, TheWorxHub, has given us the answer that we're looking for.
The workflow has been improved using TheWorxHub by Dude Solutions in a number of different ways. We have installed the systems in a number of places on residents' home computers, so rather than have to wait to call us, they can send in a work request and we can respond to that. We also have a number of stop-by residents that just come in and want to drop a work order off to us, so we're able to enable that. We can send it out quickly to whoever's out in the field to try and get the task done at the time we need it done. And we can monitor at the end of the day what we've completed and what's still open for us to complete. The TheWorxHub is helping us tremendously in the area of refurbishments. For example, on any given unit, we have a minimum of 80 to 90 tasks that need to be done as a standard of the refurbishment. Added to that, we then meet with the residents who are coming in and customize the unit, because we are fully customizing any unit we have at the resident's request. We're able to initiate another series of work orders that we can track for just modifications and customization. And then we can interface the two together in the end to give us a total cost.
So we use the tablets in the field so technicians can add their time, get new work orders, and complete their work orders without having to return to the shop. The TheWorxHubs by Dude Solutions is very good in the way that they will take your requests and they listen to the things that you would like to change and that you think might help you in your job. And they take them and they will look at that and see if it helps everybody. We've made a few recommendations. One that I think helps us the most here at Carolina Meadows is being able to move project template work orders up and down the list so that we can change a template without having to start from scratch, which saves us a lot of time.
I would say the Dude Solutions, TheWorxHub by Dude Solutions really has helped improve workflow by allowing us to get a better handle on employee productivity, the time spent on different jobs, so that we can understand maybe if there's a different way to do something, or have a different number of people attending to a certain task or something, which would make it more efficient or more productive. That's been a great help for us.